everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create an email campaign with Brevo. So if you haven't known yet, Brevo is a platform or a web-based application that allows you to create campaigns with several types. So if you take a look at the navigation bar on the left side of my screen right here, you'll be able to see the campaign options, and below it you're going to be able to see on what kind of campaign you will be able to create with Brevo. Some of them are email campaigns, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads, templates, statistic, etc. So basically statistic is going to be the place where you can see your campaigns and how it works and the progress, etc. So it's not actually a part of the campaign. And today we're going to focus on the email campaigns one. Now before we start, obviously you're going to want to create your Brevo account first. I've already created mine, and if you haven't created yours, you can just go to app.brevo.com and then you can sign up from there and start creating your account. Now I'm going to show you on the plan that Brevo offers, because depending on which plan that you're going to choose to use, you're going to have some sort of limit to emails that you can send on daily basis. And now I am on my free plans, and it says that I still have 300 emails left because I haven't really sent any today. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on manage plan and see my credit. Then I'm going to click on select a plan, and over here you're going to be able to see on the plans that Brevo offers you. So again, now I'm on free plans, and what I get is 300 emails per day, and then I can also customize email templates, and I get the drag and drop editors. I can see the transactional emails as well as creating SMS and WhatsApp campaign. And each plan comes with different benefits. You can always pause this video and take a look at each benefit on each plan. And now that you know on the prices that Brevo plans have, I'm going to go back and start showing you how to create email campaign with Brevo. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to want to add context first, because in order to be able to send your email, you will have to create a list of contacts. And you can actually do that by going to the navigation bar on the left side of your screen, click on contact, and then you can start creating your contact through there. You can either import your contact by clicking on import contact here, and then you can just upload your contact, whether it's in a CSV or Excel or TXT file. You can choose on whatever file you prefer, and then Brevo is going to input those data from the document that you've imported into this Brevo app. But I'm just going to show you how to create one from scratch. So you can go ahead and click create a contact, and then you can fill in all of the details that are available on this create a contact card. So first we have first name, last name, email, SMS, WhatsApps, and then you can also choose on list. Basically, a list is just some sort of foldering system that are going to help you in case you're going to have more than one campaign in Brevo. Those lists are going to help you to know on which contacts falls upon which project. So for example, right here I have project A, and it's going to be, let's say, 1 campaigns for me. I know that project A have a list of people for that project, and then if I have another project with another customer as my goal or as my leads, I can just create another folders, and then I can also input all of the necessary contacts for that specific project on that new folder. Again, it's just going to make everything easier instead of having to manually choose all of the contact for a certain project that I'm working on. So I'm just going to fill everything in right now. Alright, now that I've created my contact, you can see that I've already created a contact under the names of Phillips William, and I'm going to go and try to take a look at the contact details that I've just created. All right, so here is the specific contact details. I've added the first name, last name, email, as well as his number. And through this contact card or contact details, I'll be able to see on the overview of my email campaigns if I already created one, as well as the history that is going on with the certain contacts. And if you would like to take a look at the contact, the overall contact, you can just go ahead and click on lists, and then you'll be able to see on the list of contacts that you have. So I have two lists currently. I have the project A, which consists of several names that I've already created, and I have the first list, which only consists of my own contacts. And if you create a new account on Brevo, your contacts are going to automatically be inside of the your first list folder. All right, now that you know how to add a contact, we're going to take a look at the settings of the sender's domain as well as dedicated IPS. So on the right side of the screen, you're going to be able to see on the name of your business, and then you're going to be able to see this sender domains and dedicated IPS options. You can go ahead and click on that. And then through here, you can start and edit on the senders of your email, the domains that you have, the dedicated IPS, as well as the email overload prevention rule. So let's start with the sender first. Currently, the senders that I have is this one's right here. And if I'm going to send an email through Brevo, if I'm going to create an email campaign, this email is going to be the one that shows on the email. But if you have a more professional email, because mine is just my personal email as well as the Gmail's domain, and let's say that you have one that sounds more professional and you would like to use that one instead, you can just go ahead and add another sender by clicking on add a sender on the right side of your screen, and then you're going to insert on the name as well as the email that you're going to use to send your campaign, and you can just use that email instead of using your personal email as the email campaign sender. Now let's start and go straight into my email campaign. Go to the campaigns option on the navigation bar and then just go straight to emails. Through here, we're going to be able to create a new email campaign. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this create an email campaigns option. And you can choose whether you want to send a regular email campaign or a B test, in which requires you to upgrade your plan. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with the regular one. And then for the campaign name, let's say I'm going to go with test campaign. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on create campaign. And through here, again, we talk about how to settings the senders earlier. And you can manage your senders if you want, if you have more than one email, but currently I only have this emails added through here, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose that one and then click on save. Next, we're going to want to add our recipients, so go ahead and click on add recipients. And this is why I told you that you will have to create your contacts list first, because through here you'll be able to select your recipients through the list that you've already created. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the project A as my recipients. Inside of that folder, I already have 3 recipients, and it's going to also show on the remaining emails that I can send. Since I only have 3 recipients, I only have 3 contacts, I still have a lot more to send today if I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next for now. As for the subject, it definitely depends on what you're trying to create. You can say you left something on your cart. And then you can add some new text. All right, let's say you want to say, don't forget to check out before the item sold out. And on the right side of your screen, you're going to be able to see on how that email is going to look like if someone sees it on their inbox. So if you're already good with all of that, you can go ahead and click on save. And next we're going to go to the designing part. Through here, you're going to be able to see on the templates gallery as well as the layout that Brevo have. You can feel free to use on whichever templates that you want, depending on what are the goals that you're trying to achieve through this email campaigns. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on use template, and through here we'll be able to edit a bunch of stuff and customize our own email. So once you're done with all of your email, you can go ahead and click send test email if you want, or you can just go ahead and click save and quit for now. And once that done, you can also see on the overall design of the email, because it's going to show a preview through here. And once you are ready to schedule your email campaigns, you can go ahead and click on schedule, and then you can choose whether you want to send your email now, schedule it for a specific date and time, or you want the system to set the best time for your email to be sent. But you do have to upgrade your account if you will want to enjoy this benefit right here. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an email campaigns with Brevo. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.